Hi there. Welcome back to Solo Cruising with Heather, and this is part 2 of sending your suitcase to the cruise port without you. And so as you saw in episode 1, I made the decision to use a baggage handling company that were going to pick up my suitcase from home and then take it to the cruise ship. So the next time I will see this suitcase will be hopefully outside my cabin once the ship has set sail. So this video, I'm just going to show you the rest of the process, kind of how I chose to pack, the labeling, and then the suitcase pickup. So thanks for watching. Let's get going. One comment I do have to ask is please don't judge me on the amount of luggage I'm taking on this cruise, because technically it's 2 cruises. So the first cruise is a transatlantic cruise from Southampton to Fort Lauderdale, and that's followed by 3 nights in Fort Lauderdale and then a 9-day cruise to the ABC Islands. So it's technically 21 days of cruising, and that's why I have quite a large selection of clothes, because I'm going from cold weather to hot weather, very hot weather. So please don't judge. Okay, thanks. This is the label that the baggage handling company send to you after you've booked for your luggage pickup. And so basically you just fold it in 3 and then attach it to your suitcase handle. So here we are in my spare bedroom. I have just about completed the packing of both cases. The big one, which is being taken by the baggage handling company, and then a smaller one which I will bring with me along with my handbag on the train. And so what I did is I packed both bags at the same time, and I duplicated whatever went in the big case. 1 or 2 of the same items went into the little case, and I did this because if the big case does not make it to the cruise ship, and I have a lot of confidence that it will, but I'm also someone who likes to prepare. And so I thought to myself, well, in my carry-on case, which is a much smaller case as you can see, if I can put a selection of clothes and items that will allow me to still enjoy the cruise, be able to enjoy the ports of call and my time on the ship without big selection of other clothes and shoes which are in this one, and I'll just survive it. It will be okay. But just in case, we made ourselves a little miniature copy of my big suitcase. It's also a good trial to see if I can fit a week's cruise worth of clothes into a small case, because that would be great and I wouldn't even have to worry about it being in a big case. But anyway, I digress. So here we are, we're all packed. It's got several days to go before we actually go on the cruise. It's a rainy day here in West Yorkshire, and we'll see what happens next. It's collection day. My suitcase is completely packed, all locked up with a luggage strap around it. It weighed 22 kilograms, which is under the limitations that the company states, which is 23 kilograms. And it has 3 luggage tags on it: the baggage handling company's tag, my own personal luggage tag, and then of course Celebrity's cruise ship tag with my cabin number, etc., that they send to you with your paperwork after you finish checking in. So we're good to go. The company said they will be here between 14:30 and 17:30 this afternoon, 2:30 to 5:30 p.m. And so now we wait. So exciting news, the gentleman is here to pick up the suitcase. Here's the gentleman from the baggage handling case. You're not on video, sir. Are you okay? You want to wave? Hi. I'm Heather. And so he's taking my case away, and hopefully I will see it in a week's time. Correct?
Have you used us before?
No, this is the first time I'm
not?
using.
So basically, next time you see the case, it's in the cabin.
Perfect.
So you haven't got to collect it from anywhere. Go straight to the cabin.
Lovely.
Are you going to use this for the return?
No, because I'm flying back.
Okay.
And then my friend will pick me up from Leeds Bradford Airport.
Perfect.
So, but I do have another one later that I might use you for the return, where I fly back, sail into Southampton.
Yeah.
So it's just a reverse process.
Yeah.
Yes.
The only bit you need to do with that is just to bring it out to us.
Okay.
So, but on the way down, you don't need to do anything.
Right. Yes. Lovely. Well,
Right.
thank you so
Enjoy your
much.
holiday.
All right. Thank
Bye-bye.
you. Bye. Bye, suitcase. So that was the lovely man from the baggage handling company, and I offered to bring the suitcase out to him because I live in an apartment building, and he said, no, I'm here and I'll come up to where you are. And so he came up and collected the suitcase right from my front door. So far so good. The one thing I forgot to tell you was the cost. So it was £45 to take my suitcase from West Yorkshire down to Southampton. So the prices, I think, vary depending on your location, and the company is actually based in Southampton.